installing the freestyle shower Reno Transformer after they have a leak in the combination. So as you can see, Maddie's just removed the spindles and just checking the thread to make sure they're not damaged. Come with it. This just has the normal piece in it, but you can get extension pieces if they're a bit too far in the wall. If they're not long enough, you can also chuck this little piece in there and the rubber on top to seal. If you need it bigger than this, but not like that, just take them out and go rubber straight into that normal extension. So you've got 3 extensions depending on what size and how far back the combo is in the wall. Standard piece to the extended piece. So as you can see, we're just using the provided Allen key to spin it out. Once that's out, you just want to take the extension piece, put it straight back in and wind it in, and use the Allen key to tighten. And just using the rubber to seal it. And that's what it should look like. Now with using thread tape or lock cord, you just want to make the seal on that chrome piece, not on the brass, as when you put it in the wall, the chrome piece connects to the combo. Installing these, the biggest trick is you just want to put some silicone around the base, because obviously if you do it in there, it's just going to go everywhere. So just rice it in there, and then you're just turning it to meet the thread for the combo, for where he is thread taped. Now using your Allen key, that just winds the brass piece out, making it seat just like a jumper valve. Not crazy tight, but just enough to make the seal. You just want to re-tighten it with your Allen key, and then you want to install those black rubbers. Come with the kit, and then screw it on and tighten with the shifter. Air just before you turn the water on, and then just tighten with the screwdriver. Pressure check, just to see where it reaches, double checking it's under 500 kPa and that it is holding, to just double check that you have bypassed the issue. So now as you can see, she's holding, not dropping at all, and that's how you test it. To chuck on there, just double check heights though, of course, because we're going to reuse this one, just because if we had to lower it, we wouldn't get enough height for clients to jump in and have a good quality shower. With the kit, you do get the new head and the new rail, which we have used in this case, and just double checking we're connecting up under here. Just with the old BP, we just use a chrome flange and a chrome cap just to give it a nicer finish. And when you're done and dusted, that's how it should look. And those are your main checks to how to install the Reno Transformer.